umpisahan ninyo talaga madumi. Do not force my hand into it. I can play your game 50 times. Kayo, trabaho lang. Pag nagkabungguan tayo.
But Mayor,
Unless you are paid by the millions, do it.
The residents of the community supposedly the
Well,
set
there
of
is
community.
something like this. There are government men who are in Davao right now, and we suspect that would create mga raids dyan, mag-plant ng shabu. May dala na yan silang shabu, mag-raid, kunwari, marami ang raids, marami ang shabu, or set up a factory. So alam ko na. So it could not be murder kung patayin kita. May explicit warning ka na, do not commit a crime here. Do not import shabu. Kasi pag nahuli kita, paski ikaw yung general ng PDEA, yayariin kita, do not, I said, try me. Do it to some other politician. Ako, tatablahan ko kayo. If I lose my life here, okay ako. If I finish you, mas mabuti.